How to fix Play Store couldn't complete your purchase without VPN on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Play Store couldn't complete your purchase without VPN on Android phone. First, then open settings and, and then just scroll down until you find apps, and then go to apps again, and here you will find Google Play Store, or you can just type it here and you will find it, and then click on it, and then go to permissions, and then just check, and you need to accept all permissions here, and then just go to storage, and then click clear cache, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then just go back and click clear data, and that must be fixed, must be fix your problem, and then just click force stop and go back and restart your phone. Click restart, and that's it. Now your problem must be fixed, and that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.